15-minute park.
Probably. Hey guys, so today is the 13th, and this is probably going up on the 13th because I just really don't want to sit down and edit that hour worth of footage, because it's gonna take an hour and a half or 3 to edit it. But I am currently at the mall on a very rainy day. I love the rain though. Or do you like the rain?
I like rain. I just don't like being out in.
I slept so good last night hearing the rain pour, because it was pouring. Like, it was on another level last night. But when I get home, I have to make sure I watch Temptation Island, because we did not watch it this morning. Natasha.
Yeah, I know. Okay, what are you doing, sir? Are you coming out? You coming out or not?
Oh my gosh, it's crazy.
I'm not. He literally backed out a little and then stopped. So you're coming out or you're not. If you're not coming out, then I need to proceed. I mean, I don't want his spot. I just need to know if you're gonna come out.
She's crazy. Anywho, we're at the mall. I think I said that already. But we're about to get something to eat, I guess, first. I don't know if we get something to eat or if we going in the mall. I'm really confused at this point. We're trying to find a parking spot, because as you guys know, my mom is on the injured side. But even if she wasn't injured, she would still try to find the closest parking spot. She doesn't care.
It's not true.
Huh?
I walk.
Even before. No ma'am. No ma'am. No. Are you fibbing? Are you gonna sit here and act like before, even on the before you got hurt, you was still trying to get the closest parking spot to the door?
Oh, you mean VIP? Yeah. I forgot.
Oh my gosh.
VIP.
I was yelling inside.
It looked like what is it? What was his name? This dude, he was a rapper.
Why are you trying to clown me?
What's his name? He got a real big Tone Loc.
I'm so proud of you.
Look up Tone Loc. Look up Tone Loc.
You really out here busting a move.
I'm about to bust
crutches,
a move.
Crutches and oil. You know what I'm saying? Crutches and oil. You really out here doing it big.
I don't need these crutches.
Period. Let them know. Let them know you out here walking and stuff.
I'm about to hit you.
I'm so proud of you, ma. Honey, you've come very far, honey. You went from oh, don't touch me. Oh my god. Oh, okay. It's very cold.
Yeah, it's just stop.
Oh, honey, please don't run my mama over. Whew, the ghetto.
This is wet. Go ahead. It's wet.
It's wet?
It's hot.
Thank you.
It was normal for that.
We haven't been here in a while.
Hi, how are you today?
Good, how are you?
Good. I'm like.
I'm thinking about the lobster avocado roll. Wild caught lobster, curry and loli, avocado.
Y'all okay for right now?
Yes. I'm really looking for the fried rice, because that's really what I'm here for. So we got some hot and sour soup. I've never had this before, so I'm very excited about trying it. love a Barnes and Noble. Von Moir. A lot of people don't even know what Von Moir is. They be like, what's Von Moir?
And I don't turn the wrong way. I was supposed to go left.
Not really.
Well, I mean,
You're still going in the way in
to the exit, I'm saying. But yeah, I'm going toward the house.
That was actually good. Kind of dry though. Yesterday I was like, and the icing tastes like straight cream cheese. I was like, where's the sugar?
I don't like sweet.
What the heck? I said, where's the sugar?
How
This
long
tastes
are we gonna
like
sing? It's
some
12 stone.
cornbread. What's up?
I'm gonna blow them out the street because they 12 stone members, but
What that mean?
hey, listen, they Christians.
What that mean?
My Christian brothers and sisters.
They can get out the road too.
What you're not gonna do is be mean to our good Christian brothers and sisters.
They're like the sticker was already on there when they bought the car.
No, it wasn't. It's 2 stickers on there, and if even if they're not Christians, they probably would have scraped it off.
They don't know what that is.
Yes, they do. Everybody knows what 12 stone. You think I'm gonna ride around in a car and not know what's on my car?
Why are you talking to me like that? Why are you talking to me like that? It's on the magic school bus. Nobody even want that little crusty red velvet cake.
I don't want this one.
Why you? No,
I'm gonna say this one for later.
I'm gonna eat this one.
I'm gonna eat the one that's got the chocolate and vanilla.
No, that's the one I was gonna get.
Yeah.
Yes, I was.
Who messed with that chocolate one over there? Who did that?
I guess it tipped over. That's the one I want though. Okay, you. She putting a cupcake in the microwave.
Why are you minding my business?
Why are you?
Hey mama, 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 hey mama. McKenna, come here, mama. McKenna. Say hey, mommy. Say hey, McKenna. Say hey.
You gotta fix your ponytail. You gotta get your bangs out of your hair. I mean, out of your face.
Say hey, mama. Say hey, mama.
Y'all, she is crazy. She do not like having her hair in a ponytail, so her bangs be in her face.
Say hey. Say hey. See, I like being free.
So far, this is what we have. I'm gonna try to do a house tour, a Christmas decor house tour, or show you guys the Christmas decor that we have, because the whole house is not decorated, just like down here in my room and stuff. But this is the presents and stuff we have so far, and this is a tree. Can't forget about my hot cocoa station. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you haven't seen it, I will link it down below in the description box so you guys can see how I put this together. So cute. Just looks even better with the lights out. So cute and so pretty. And then the hot cocoa station looks cute, the lights out.
3 hours later.
Hey guys, so it's been a few hours later. Like as soon as we left the restaurant, my time of the month started. And I was trying to figure out why my head was hurting, but I forgot that every time it's that time of the month I get a headache. So I got a headache, and when I got home I kind of just tried to lay down, and I fell asleep for like a couple hours, and now I'm up because I try not to take any medicine because I get really bad cramps, but surprisingly I haven't gotten any yet, so I hope I don't get any. I'm just, you know, hoping that I don't. But I'm currently about to watch and catch up on some people's Vlogmas and see what their Vlogmas is doing. And I'm gonna go ahead and start editing this video so it can go up. But I look a mess right now because I literally just woke up. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, even though this video is probably gonna be a little short. I really didn't do too much today. Today's Friday, so yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.